Then there was the mystery of his perpetually wet nose. I learned that this wasn't just a random trait, but a vital part of his incredible sense of smell. The moisture on his nose helped him absorb scent particles. When Max licked his nose, he transferred these particles to the Jacobson's organ, located above the roof of his mouth, which significantly enhanced his smelling capabilities. Understanding these distinctive ways in which Max cooled down and used his sense of smell gave me a deeper appreciation of the intricacies of dog physiology.